This article is titled National and Regional Estimates of Term and Preterm Babies Born Small for Gestational Age in 138 Low-Income and Middle-Income Countries in 2010 and was authored by Lee and Dr. SCD Katz, Joanne, MRCPCH Blenkow, Hannah, Dip Mathstat Cousins, Simon, MSPH Kazuki, Noriko, MBBS Fogel, Joshua, PhD Adair, Linda, DRPH Barkey, Abdullah, PhD Butter, Zulfika, PhD Caulfield, Laura, DRPH Christian, Porul, PhD Clark, Shan, PhD Itsati, Majid, DRPH Forzi, Wafai, PhD Gonzalez, Rogilio, PhD Hybrechts, Lurven, PhD Kariuki, Simon, PhD Colsterin, Patrick, PhD Lusingu, John, PhD Marchant, Tanya, Merialdi, Mario, PhD Munkelchati, Arunsri, PhD Mullaney, Luke, Master of Science and Irangu, James, PhD Newell, Marie-Louise, Nian, KJYH, PhD Osrin, David, PhD Robert Dominique, MPP Rosen, Heather, PhD Sanya, Aisha, PhD Silvera, Moriangela, PhD Tealsh, James, PhD Vidya, Anjana, PhD Willie, Barbara, PhD Lorne, Joy, and Black, Robert.
National estimates for the numbers of babies born small for gestational age and the comorbidity with preterm birth are unavailable. We aim to estimate the prevalence of term and preterm babies born small for gestational age, term SGA and preterm SGA, and the relation to low birth weight, in 138 countries of low and middle income in 2010. Findings: in 2010, an estimated 32 times per million infants were born small for gestational age in low-income and middle-income countries, of whom 10 times 6 million infants were born at term and low birth weight. The prevalence of term SGA babies ranged from 5 times 3% of live births in East Asia to 41 times 5% in South Asia, and the prevalence of preterm SGA infants ranged from 1 times 2% in North Africa to 3 times 0% in Southeast Asia. Of 18 million low birth weight babies, 59% were term SGA and 41% were preterm SGA. 2/3 of small for gestational age infants were born in Asia. Most small for gestational age infants were born in India, Pakistan, Nigeria, and Bangladesh. Implementation of effective interventions for babies born too small or too soon is an urgent priority to increase survival and reduce disability, stunting, and non-communicable diseases.
We are article.tv. Links in the description below.